I'm learning drawing and I'm in fine arts.
I am learning 3D design. I am in applied arts.
I'm learning identity design. I'm in applied arts.
I'm learning printmaking. I'm in fine arts.
I am learning typography. I am in applied arts.
I am learning portrait. I am in fine arts.
I'm learning UI UX. I'm in applied arts.
I'm learning photography. I'm in applied arts.
A very good morning to all the dignitaries present today, faculty members and all the new students. I, Assistant Professor Dipti Bhosle, on behalf of MIT School of Fine Arts and Applied Arts and Vishwa Shanti Sangeet Kala Academy, welcome you all to the Introduction Program 2020-21. With the blessings of our beloved founding father, Professor Dr. Vishwanath Karar sir, I would humbly request everyone to please stand for the World Peace Prayer.
नमो दीयाद्या वेद प्रतिपाद्या जय जय स्वसंवेद्या आत्मरूपा देवातूति गणेषु सकलार्थमतिप्रकाशु म्हणे निवृत्तिदासु अवधारी बोधी
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णू गुरुर्देव महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Thank you, everyone. It gives me great pleasure to invite our guide and leader, Professor Dr. Milind Dobre sir, Dean, Faculty of Fine Arts and Performing Arts, and Principal of MIT School of Fine Arts and Applied Arts, to please welcome everyone present here. Over to you, sir.
Good morning, all the dignitaries. Good morning, Honorable Jyoti Madam, Executive Director, MIT School of Fine Arts and Applied Arts and Vishwashanti Sangeet Kala Academy. Honorable Adinath Ji Mangeshkar, Secretary General, MIT Vishwashanti Sangeet Kala Academy. Dear students and all my faculty members. With the great vision of our founding father, Professor Dr. Vishwanath Karad sir, we have completed 4 years of great success. And we are welcoming our new batch to this great university, which is a unique combination of art, design, and technology. Welcome to this professional education where you will develop your skills, personality, and proficiency for your professional practice. Earlier, these art forms like dance, music, fine arts used to be considered as an art only. Now it has become a profession. People look upon these not only as an art forms, but have accepted it as a strong career option. Any professional studies are made to develop your career, help to society and build the nation. Students, there is a short mantra to become successful in this career. You can call it as ABCD of your professional path. I would just explain you what is that. A stands for aspiration or ambition, or you can even call it as aim. You should have aspiration to achieve success and remarkable position in your profession. So, right from the day one, you set your goal. Now B. B is business mind. Always find out possibilities of changing your opportunities into business prospects. Set your mind for business. Start grooming yourself, your personalities as business person. Then you will call as professional person. C, that is consistent or regularities. Regular in your practice, be steady and committed to your professional commitments. And last is D, discipline. Anything that you do in your life and in your professional practice, do it with full discipline. Your disciplined life will help you to grow your personality. So to make your personalities as professional, we at MIT ADT University will help you think, research, and communicate clearly, providing you with the intellectual skills and academic abilities to develop a stimulating and rewarding career. The college aims at creating awareness among the students about men's creative expression over the years through practice, practical assignment, and that will offer you opportunity to realize your own potential. School of Fine Arts and Applied Arts and Vishwashanti Sangeet Kala Academy is known for its academic excellence, not only in Maharashtra, but across our country. We have students from all parts of country and even overseas. On this occasion of this introduction session of fine arts and music, I would like you people to add 4D in your life to be successful. So these 4Ds are desire, determination, discipline, and dedication. Dedication, in other way, you also can make it as a devotion. Devote your life, devote your time to be a professional in your career path. Students, we have all kind of facilities to make your dreams true. State of art infrastructure, dedicated faculty members, all up to date labs, softwares, instruments to keep you in touch with industry. We have regular interaction with industry practitioners. Online courses are going on. We have School of Holistic Development for your overall growth to keep you healthy with your body and soul. We have sports and spirituality practices. We also have introduced foreign languages for your future career endeavor. And we also have entrepreneurial practices to make your career path as a successful professional in your life. So I welcome once again to this MIT Art Design and Technology University. I hope you will enjoy your journey of 4 years and you will learn all the good things from your gurus and your faculties that are going to groom you all in your professional career. All the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for those words of wisdom. MIT School of Fine Arts and Applied Arts offer incredible academic program, a diverse, committed, and accessible faculty. Here is a brief introduction of MIT School of Fine Arts and Applied Arts team. So we have 3 departments. First is the Applied Art, Painting and Sculpture. So we'll move on to Applied Arts. Can we have the next slide, please? I think there's some technical issue.
Dipti ma'am, we are on Milind sir's slide right now.
Okay, sir. I am not able to see. I think there is a network connection at my side. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay. So, Professor Dr. Milind Dobre, sir, yes, he is the Dean, Faculty of Fine Arts and Performing Arts, Principal, MIT, SOFA and BSKA. He carries experience of around 21 years, specialization in photography and identity design. Sir is also the chairman, Board of Studies, MIT ADT University, member of academic course MIT ADT University, and member BOS at VIT RTM Nagpur, SNDT Mumbai University. Is the slide changed? I think there's a network error at my side.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Parag
So
sir's
next
slide.
we have, yes, Parag Sherke sir. He is HOD Applied Arts and he carries experience of 15 years, specialization in illustration, currently pursuing PhD in Fine Arts at MIT ADT University. Next we have Tushar Panke sir, Assistant Professor, class in charge of 4th year, and he carries experience of 11 years, specialization in photography. He's been working as an assistant professor for over 5 years. Shall I move on next?
Yes, Dipti ma'am.
Yes. Chaitanya Gokhale sir, Assistant Professor, Class in Charge MFA first year, and he carries experience of 13 years, specialization, calligraphy and typography. Currently pursuing PhD in Fine Arts at MIT ADT University. Next we have Chitra Ardak, Assistant Professor, Placement in Charge. She carries experience of 9 years, specialization in UI UX design. She's been working as an assistant professor for 3 years now. Next, we have Dipankar Goswami sir, Assistant Professor, Class in Charge of First Year BFA. He carries experience of around 16 years, specialization in UI UX design and digital arts. He has an academic experience of 4 years. Next, we have Dipti Bhosle, Assistant Professor, Class in Charge second year. She carries experience of 9 years, specialization is illustration, currently pursuing PhD in Fine Arts at MIT ADT University. Next we have Avni Jindal, Assistant Professor, Class in Charge of third year BFA. She carries experience of 6 years, specialization in advertising and branding, currently pursuing PhD in Fine Arts at MIT ADT University. Next we have Nitin Jaiswal sir, Assistant Professor, Technical, and also he carries with Technical Assistance. He has experience of 12 years, specialization in web design and development. He has been working as an assistant professor for 1 year now. Now let's move on to painting department. Okay, so we have
Yes, ma'am.
Sheel Kumbhar sir, Assistant Professor, Painting Department. He carries experience of 9 years and his specialization is portrait. He's been working as an assistant professor for 9 years now. Prasad Nikum sir, Assistant Professor. He has experience of 9 years, specialization in printmaking. He's been working as an assistant professor for over 3 years now. Uttam Zanwade sir, Assistant Professor, Painting Department. He carries experience of 6 years, specialization in portrait. He's been working as an assistant professor for over 1 year now. Yeah, so next let's move on to the sculpture department. And we have Mahendra Poddar sir, Assistant Professor, Sculpture Department, and he carries experience of around 19 years, specialization sculpture. He has an academic experience of over 9 years. And MIT School of Fine Arts Admin Department. So we have Priyanka Panke ma'am, Admin Officer, and she is also Office Assistant. And we have Umesh Shirse sir, Administrative Assistant, Student and Account Section. And we have Satish Ghadge, Office Admin and Office Boy. We have Vishal More, Office Admin and Office Boy. So this was a very small team of MIT SOFA and our family. So with this, yes. So I would now like to welcome Honorable Secretary General Adinath Mangeshkar sir to address the students. Sir is a distinguished personality in the field of music and has contributed in numerous capabilities. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dipti. Thank you so much. Firstly, I heartily welcome the Vice President of the entire Myers MIT family and the Executive Director of the Vishwa Shanti Sangeet Kala Academy and SOA and SOFA, Honorable Srimati Jyoti Karat Dhakne ma'am. Ma'am, wish you a very warm welcome. Similarly, I welcome the Honorable Dean and Principal of the Vishwa Shanti Sangeet Kala Academy and of SOFA, Dr. Milind Dhobreji. And I also extend a very warm welcome and my greetings to all the distinguished members of the faculty here. And last but not the least, Students, a very, very, very warm welcome to you. It is such a delight. It is such a delight that you are all here with us this wonderful morning, and that you are a part of this induction program. Today, you begin a new chapter in your life, a chapter which is now actually going to take you towards molding and building your careers. And I can tell you that, in all humility, that you have arrived at least in my opinion, the most perfect place for music there can be in this country. The Vishwashanti Sangeet Kala Academy is the absolute brainchild of the patriarch of our Myers MIT family, Honorable Dr. Vishwanath Karat sir, Honorable Vishwadharmi Dr. Vishwanath Karat sir. Dr. Vishwanath Karat sir is the person who envisaged that this country needs an absolutely premier musical institute, a premier musical institute which is of absolute global excellence, of reaching the highest international standards, be it anywhere in the world. And that is how he decided to make this music academy, to build this beautiful academy, and dedicate it to the nation and to music itself. So, students, I'm so glad you have all taken admission over here at our Vishwashanti Sangeet Kala Academy. There are so many nuances. There are so many highlights. There are so many different specialities which make our academy so different and so special. And I will just run you through some of them. As you know, our academy teaches pure Indian classical music, but at the same time, there is an equal exposure given to students who want to present their own musical styles and their own musical individuality and their own musical identity. So even though we are teaching you pure Indian classical, which will be in your programs of BPA and MPA and diplomas, you will also get the same breather, the same opportunities to work and develop your own genre of music that what you want to sing. Classical music is indeed the base of all music known to India. And in my opinion, it is a must that one should be classically trained, at least to a fair and reasonable extent. And then the avenues to sing other kinds of music and other genres of music open up. So what we do is that once we tap the students' musical aptitude, we start their extracurricular activities as per their area of musical interest, musical style, and musical genre. So, for example, if somebody wants to sing something which is like a semi-classical genre or a light classical genre, could be Sufi, could be Abhang, could be Ghazal, could be what is referred to as Bollywood or Hindi film music, which is better referred to as contemporary music. So those skills of you are also equally developed at the same time that you would be studying the ancient Shastra, the great traditional lineage of India, of Indian music. The Academy crafts and imparts in-depth awareness of the professional music industry and the opportunities it presents in order to train the students professionally. That is a very important and a very different aspect of our industry. As much as we want you to focus on your music tutelage, as much as we want you to focus on your musical learning, at the same time, we also at your very beginning stage introduce you to the professional industry that you will be working in, and what does it take to be working in a professional industry. So that guidance is given to you right from the beginning. So even though while you are studying and you are achieving your BA and your BPA and your MPA, but at the same time you are also being equally seasoned to be a professional, to go out there into the music world and the music industry and make a mark for yourself. We equip the students with a variety of group music projects where they get the opportunity to learn, explore, interact, experiment, and not only with the faculty and fellow colleagues, but also with people all throughout the industry to experience and exchange knowledge, which is so important because in music, we always say ki sunna adha seekhna hota hai, and sohbat is a very important thing in Indian music. So it is very essential for you to keep interacting with people from like-minded people from the music world. And it could be from any kind of music. You could be training to be an Indian classical vocalist, but at the same time you might just learn so much from a jazz pianist or a jazz saxophonist. So basically, we create interactions between people, between musicians, all of you. That is. Due to the fabulously large network that the Myers MIT family and the MIT ADTU has, we have always been able to reach out to very renowned music personalities on a very regular basis, and we always give our students that golden chance to interact with these professionals, be it via lecture demonstrations, academy visits, online conferences, and even live performances. We have several college fests that go on. The Vishwa Shanti Sangeet Kala Academy has its own Saresa. The ADTU has its own Sona Fest, which is a national level gigantic music and art and culture festival. So the students are always given very ample performance opportunities there. As much as we want to create you into becoming very good performers and very good singers, we also hone your other skills that are required to be in the music industry. So tomorrow you might even want to be a professional artist or professional singer, or you might just want to be a very good educator, a very distinguished teacher. So even from those points of view, we completely hone and develop your skills. We are very focused. As much as we want to impart the knowledge to you, as much as we want to train you to be outstanding and excellent musicians, because the honorable chairperson of our academy, Bharat Ratna Lata Didi Mangeshkar ji, and our patriarch, Honorable Vishwadharmi Dr. Vishwanath Karat sir, have always instilled this in every individual in the Myers MIT and ADTU family, that whatever you do it with full focus, full lagan, full sincerity, dedication, and please try and be the best in your field. Being famous is not important. Being successful in your field is important. And with absolute dedication and sincerity, we will ensure you will ensure that you become a very successful person. When it comes to honing your musical skills, at the same time, we also want you to have the right skills for that is to provide you with gainful employment opportunities. They could be in the areas of sound engineering, sound recording, editing, composing, music production, artist promotion, music event management, copyright, music publication, and so on. Because the music industry has become a gigantic industry today. The Honorable Dean, in his opening remarks, said that there was a time when art and music was pursued only for the sake of art and music, but today it is a gigantic professional industry. A gigantic professional industry. I mean, imagine where would the world be without music? Today, you cannot even have a promo of an app on the phone without music. Music has touched every aspect of our life. And Honorable Vishwadharmi, Dr. Vishwanath Karat sir has always taught us that music is a pathway to the spiritual. Music has its own holistic healing and spiritual properties. So right from there to the commercial angles, VSK would be exposing you to all these wonderful and gigantic aspects. As you know, we are offering you the programs of BPA and MPA. All the students the first year students who have come in are obviously the BPA students. We would be also organizing various lecture demonstrations, performances by eminent musicians, eminent educators, and also various workshops which would be enable to better your understanding of the various aspects of music. It is very important for us to create that inquisitiveness in you. That ability wherein you keep asking us questions, you keep asking us, because it's only when you ask will you be able to learn. So students, I think I've just given you a very small and brief introduction to the path that we both would be walking together. And I once again welcome you and I really look forward to being there with you and walking along this path of music with you. We have the utmost support from an absolutely musically enlightened individual, that is our executive director, Srimati Jyotikara Dhakne Madam. Madam is an absolute encyclopedia on Indian film music. There are times when we approach her, कि ma'am, हमारी गाड़ी यहाँ जरा अटक गई है, आप जरा, please help कीजिए, and she gives some of the most fabulous suggestions. So you have such a wonderful person, in charge of affairs. And we have got Dr. Dobre sir is here. I am here with you. And I look forward to this wonderful interaction and this wonderful journey that all of us are going to be sharing together. Music is a humongous field. It's an immensely large field, as you know. And it is impossible to state anything in 2 or 3 or 4 minutes. But the primary objective is to welcome you today. So welcome, and I look forward to this exciting musical journey with all of you. Thank you so much for listening to me so patiently. Dipti, over to you.
Thank you. Thank you for your valuable speech, sir. It is always pleasure to hear you. MIT Vishwashanti Sangeet Kala Academy is a truly unique academic institute that aims at reviving Indian classical music and dance in its purest form. Here is a brief introduction to the faculty members. So we have Bharat Ratna Srimati Lata Mangeshkar ji as a chairperson, Professor Dr. Vishwanath Karad sir, founding executive president, Vishwashanti Sangeet Kala Academy. Is the next slide open? I have still again. Okay.
Yes, we are on
Okay.
Aditya service.
Yes. Adinath Mangeshkar sir, Honorable Secretary General, MIT VSKA, experience over 25 years in the field of music. He believes in providing a conducive environment to nurture music and develop an innovation and research culture in the directions of global excellence. We have Professor Pauravi Sathe ma'am, assistant professor, and she has experience of over 12 years, specialization Indian classical music. She has 6 years of experience in teaching music. We have Devavarna Basu, assistant professor, vocal. She has experience of 8 years, specialization in Indian classical music. She is currently pursuing her PhD. We have Suryakant Gaikwad sir, assistant professor, vocal. He has experience of 35 years, specialization vocal. He is a visiting faculty of VSKA. We have Mukund Pandit sir, assistant professor for instrument. He has experience of 28 years, specialization tabla. He is visiting faculty at VSKA. Next we have Aditi Riswadkar, assistant professor for dance. She has experience of 15 years, specialization classical Kathak. She teaches classical dance at MIT VSKA. And we have MIT VSKA admin department, Reshma Gosavi, admin officer, and Mandakini Gule, junior clerk. And this was our MIT VSKA team and a small family. Now, I consider it an absolute honor to welcome a visionary person, an advisor who is passionate and believes in the potential of value-added education. Honorable Executive Director, Mrs. Jyoti Dhakne, ma'am. Over to you, ma'am. Ma'am, you can unmute yourself. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, fine. Namaste. Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all on this digital platform on behalf of MIT ADT University. We all are facing a very unusual pandemic situation of COVID-19. Actually, no one in the world thought of this kind of disastrous phase in our life, but show must go on. This is the new beginning of your career, your life. This batch is a special batch which has started on this digital platform and will be remembered for something unusual beginning. So this is the digital thing, technology, a great innovation in the field of engineering gave us a great opportunity to use high-end techniques to reach everyone. Indeed, we all are very lucky. As I said, engineering, yes, MIT has already created its brand in the field of engineering, and now we are in the field of art as well on this mesmerizing campus of MIT ADT at Vishwaraj Bagh, Pune, where you can see and experience the beauty of unique field of architecture, which is the combination of art and engineering, but your field fine arts and applied arts, under which you are going to develop artistic view of technology. You all are future artists and very lucky because you will be studying on this land where our Dr. V.D. Karad sir, our founder president, has created world's biggest dome, Santa Naneshwara Vishwashanti Dome, which is an architecture wonder in itself. Actually, the whole campus itself is artistical development under his vision. Yes, we can say that because this campus of 120 acres, you can see Sangeet Kala Academy, chaired by Bharat Ratna Lata Mangeshkar Ji Raj Kapoor Memorial, which is a tribute to golden era of Indian cinema and great showman Raj Kapoor. One in itself, a Vishwakarma Mandir. On the other side, marine engineering Vishwanath ship, Olympic size swimming pool, and other world class sports facilities, and whatnot. All these monuments designed by great visionary Dr. V.D. Karat sir, who has established MIT in 1983. In these 37 years, MIT group of institutions have achieved the excellence mostly in all technical fields. Now in art, fine arts, film, drama, music as well. Under MIT ADT University, which is a private university established 5 years back, which is excellently growing under the leadership of our executive president, Dr. Mangesh Karad sir, and me, Mrs. Jyoti Karad Dhakne, with a strong educational base of 37 years. With the legacy of excellence, MIT is trying to nurture our students. I think this is what the COVID pandemic taught us, made us desperate to thought about our future and to preserve nature. We all need peace and peaceful life. So for that, art will be going to be necessity of our life. Earlier days, everyone wants to become like their child, become a doctor or an engineer. But now departments like design, applied arts, liberal arts, music, filmmaking technique, filmmaking techniques, painting, and so on other very important parts in educational field. This is what the responsibility of institutions like us, and I have a full faith in our team, and we surely will achieve that. Our Dr. Milind Dhoble and my brother Adinath Mangeshkar ji. For music, actually, we are trying to give classical music, which is our main base, you can say. For music, for playback music, or anywhere you go, classical music is your paya, जिसको मराठी में like base कहते हैं, like हिंदी में. And we should without classical music you can't achieve uh, the best in this career. Dr. Milind Dhoble is working for both departments, and music and art painting. We are trying to go hand in hand. Like we took different platforms we are creating for we introduced calligraphy on music. So this type of projects we are doing, and MIT is known for its technical education, but now in art we will do our best. And our whole faculty, new faculty members are coming in on in this pandemic year, but still new great teachers we are appointing, and you as a new batch is going to be in studying in a different manner, and definitely achieve their goal in their life, and I wish them all best for their future. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for those encouraging words. I now invite Professor Pauravi Sathe, ma'am, to propose the vote of thanks. Over to you, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you, Dipti ma'am. Namaste. Once a great man whispered, feeling thankfulness and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. Today, I take the opportunity to put all my gratitude into words. On behalf of MIT VSKA and SOFA management and all the students, I thank Honorable Vishwadharmi Dr. Vishwanath Karad sir, Honorable Mangesh Karad sir. I extend my thanks to Mrs. Jyoti Dhakne ma'am, Executive Director of VSK and SOFA, who spared time from her busy schedule to grace the occasion. Tai, indeed your words have inspired the students. I thank our respected Adinash Mangeshkar sir, Secretary General of VSK, who graced us with his presence and guidance. Thank you, sir, for sharing your words of wisdom with us.
Thank you. Thank you, madam.
We have been fortunate to be assisted by our principal, sir, Professor Dr. Mirin Dhoble, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, you have been constant support for us and you have given a lot of encouragement. Thank you, sir. I would also like to thank people who work behind the scene to make this event happen. Our technical team, all the teaching staff, non-teaching staff of VSK and SOFA. Thank you very much. Our sincere gratitude goes to all the parents and well-wishers for your rock-solid support and encouragement. Last but not the least, I would like to thank you, all the students, for choosing this esteemed institution for your future growth, future career growth. And a warm welcome to all of you in MIT. Thank you. Thank you once again.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Pauravi.
Yes, Dipti.
Yes, sir. We thank you, everyone, and we declare this program as ended. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Pasaidan.
Oh,
Dipti Pasaidan.
yes. So I request the technical team to please start with the Pasayadan.
आता विश्वात्मके देवे येने वाग्यज्ञे तोषावे तोषोनि मज जावे पसायदान जे खळांती व्यंकटी कांडो तया सत्कर्मी रतिवाढो भूता परस्परे पडो मैत्र जीवांचे दुरिताचे तिमिर जाओ विश्वस्वधर्म सूर्ये पाहो जो देवांशील तो तेलाहो प्राणी जात वर्षत सकळ मंगळी ईश्वर निष्ठांची मांदियाळी अनवरत भूमंडळी भेट तू भूता चला कल्पतरूंचे आरव चेतना चिंतामणीचे गाव बोलते जे अर्णव पियुषाचे चंद्रमे जे अलांछन मार्तंड देता पहिन ते सर्वाही सदा सज्जन सोय रे हो तू किंबहुना सर्व सुखी पूर्ण होनी तिही लोकी भजिजो आदि पुरुषी अखंडित आणि ग्रंथोपजीविये विशेषी लोकीये दृष्टादृष्ट विजये हो आवे जी येथ म्हणे